Welcome to another Steelcase Amia tutorial video by OfficeLogixShop. Shop. If the height lever on your Amia chair has become disengaged and broken like this, then you've come to the right place to learn how to fix it. Step 1. Remove the seat. It's very important to have a long screwdriver, at least 14 inches in length. You can use any type you have, whether it's a Phillips or flathead. Focus on the length of the screwdriver so you can reach the spot right beneath the seat to disengage the seat lock. Another important aspect is maintaining a space between the ground and the seat to ensure enough room for you to access the lock and for the seat to slide out easily. Insert the screwdriver between the seat and the bottom of the mechanism. If you are looking at the seat from this angle, the lock will be on the left side. Look for a button that you can press down. This button locks the seat in place and prevents it from sliding out of the chair. Once you press down on it, you can slide the seat out. This is the button you pressed. It locks onto this rail. Step 2. Fix the height lever. Now that you can actually see the lever, if it is flopping like this, it means it has come out of position. To fix that, you need to loosen the set screw on the bottom and reinsert the lever into its place. Flip the chair so the process becomes easier. From this view, the set screw is located on the left here. Now just loosen it as much as possible, making sure to avoid overdoing it to the point where the screw falls off, because putting it back will take some effort. If by any chance you overdo it, don't panic. We'll show you how to put it back later on. Once the set screw is loose, flip the chair back again. You're now looking at the rod and the actuator. Just adjust the rod so it can fit into the actuator sleeve. Flip the chair back again and tighten the set screw. If the screw was removed from loosening it too much before, you can now insert it and tighten it as shown. Step 3. Put the seat back. To put the seat back in place, line up the rails on the mechanism with the guides on the seat. Ensure they're perfectly aligned, then fully elevate the seat depth lever and slide the seat forward until it hits the rear end of the track. If you've done this correctly, the seat should be securely locked in position. To test the seat, use the seat depth lever to move the seat back and forth, confirming that it remains securely attached to the chair. If it stops at a designated point, then all components are functioning as intended. With these adjustments, you've successfully repaired the height lever, and your Steelcase Amia chair is ready for use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more of our latest reviews and tutorials.